Hey, what's up guys? What's up? Today is a Wednesday. That means it's 50% off at Salvation Army. So I'm gonna go there and check out some clothes, items, toys, whatever I can find. Let's go find it. Alright, let's go. So I just walked out with some clothes. I paid 42. You can see the receipt right here. Now go to the next one. 뭐 산다고? I was so thirsty. I forgot to bring my water today. But I was feeling getting some energy drink today. I was gonna pick out the Monster low carb, but I don't know why I got absolutely zero energy drink. Oh well. Just got done from the Goodwill, and I got items to show you. Here's the Guitar Hero, the wireless double range guitar. The last but least, this is the old vintage cassette player, Pioneer. The model number is CTW404R. Gonna go home and test this one out. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day today. Very nice. Found some cool keychain. This is Puff. It's my boy. That's my boy. That's my boy. I just got back from Salvation Army and Goodwill, and there was a small haul from the Goodwill, and now I'm gonna show you Salvation Army haul. So everything's half off, so let's get into it. I got this book. It's called The New York Times 36 Hours, 125 Weekends in Europe. Got pay like $1. It's Tommy Hilfiger. The light is so bad. This brand is called Loudmouth. It's got beautiful checker. Under Armour. Harvard University. Vineyard Vines, plaid, long sleeve. It's got that dolphin embroidered on front. Paid $5.99, half off, so $3. Brooks Brothers polo, striped polo shirt. Got one front pocket here, and got embroidered the Brooks Brothers logo. Paid $3.99, so $2. Two Columbia vented long sleeve shirt. Got one yellow, one orange. Paid $6.99, so $3.50 for this one, and this one $5.99, so I paid $3 for this one. And this is Southern Tide, plaid and checks. It's got the embroidered here. This is Hugo Boss slim fit, navy blue long sleeve button front. Paid $3.50 for this one. And this is Ralph Lauren polo, custom fit, linen blend, $5.99, so $3. Oakley black polo shirt. Paid $3 for this one. I don't usually pick up Jeep by gas, but this is a camo bomber jacket. It looks cool, so I picked it up. Size large. Pays $3.50. Let me just try it on. How's it look? The last item is Mojo. Sorry about the bad lighting. The sportswear company. Get your mojo on. Quarter zip long sleeve. Alright guys, that's all for the haul video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.